conference quarterfinal.
These fans are pumped and they expect nothing less than the best from the Columbus Blue Jackets and the Carolina Hurricanes. Provorov finds the loose puck. Laine. Slavin takes control. Over the blue line. Moved ahead. Meslikins stones him cold. Burns takes the puck. He gets pushed.
There's one for the visitors.
Shea gets hold of the puck. He dumps it. Meslikins gives it up. Columbus with it now. Werenski. Fast finds it. Pitchforks. Werenski. Columbus needs to be making a line change soon. Quick pass up. Moved up. Chatfield knocks him off the puck. Carolina grabbed it. Sillinger hammers Chatfield. Played up. Quick pass up. A delayed penalty called against Columbus. Chatfield cranks it. Meslikins close the door. Nylander will serve time for hooking. Slavin
to number 92, Alexander Nylander, 2 minutes for hooking.
Through the neutral zone. Bookfist takes possession of the puck. Slavin, he has his pocket picked. Columbus puts its #1 penalty-killing unit out. Shoots it hard. Teravainen takes control of the puck. Goodrow pushes Aho. D'Angelo finds the loose puck.
Change up!
Up along the boards. D'Angelo, wrist shot. Moved ahead. Goodrow moved up. Over center. Provorov dumps the puck in. D'Angelo grabs it.
Change up!
Out over the blue line. Centered. Advances the puck. Goodrow shoves Teravainen. Werenski scoops up the loose puck. With a wrist shot. Anderson gets a pad on it. Carolina puts its checking line out. In front. Moved ahead. Kuraly. Chilkov controls the puck. Carolina puts its scoring line out. Meslikins denied him. Severson passed ahead. Into the attacking zone. Burns gets hold of the puck. Sillinger. Columbus gobbles it up. Rossi.
Line 1!
Over center. Brings it in. Along the boards. Jenner nails Slavin. Rossi takes control of the puck. Fast. Out over the blue line.
Line 3, get up there!
Aho grabs the puck.
Line 3!
The Hurricanes dump it in. Provorov has it now. And out they come with the puck. Working along the perimeter. Saved by Anderson. Nylander, he gets nailed. Anderson stoned him cold.
Line 2! Line 4!
Bookfist with the puck. He dumps it in. Chatfield scoops it up. Texier. Texier fires! He scores!
He put it upstairs and the goalie just wasn't fast enough.
Carolina will need to come up with a showstopper of their own.
They've got the skill. Now let's see if they can put it to good use.
In the corner, Svechnikov takes the puck, picked up by Carolina. Danforth, he gets walked.
That was solid stuff.
Carolina dumps the puck in. Bean gets a hold of it. Kuznetsov grabbed by Columbus. Danforth mowed down. Severson finds the loose puck. In over the line. Texier in all alone. D'Angelo gets rocked. Chinikov gets hold of the puck. Aho shoots. Merzlikins gets the wood on it. Good throw. Werenski grabs the puck. Up along the boards. Anderson gets a pad on it. Aho jumps on the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Centered. Mason gets... He scores! I thought they'd go into the breakdown by one.
They showed a lot of heart, Jim, by tying this one up.
23, Stefan Mason, assisted by number 48, Jordan Martinet.
Second period's about to start.
We should see lots of early pressure, Jim, as both sides try to set the tone.
The faceoff goes to the Hurricanes.
As well as a complete team.
Shea gets rubbed off the puck. Jumped on by Carolina. Kotkaniemi. He gets shoved.
He's not buying into the home ice advantage.
Texier fires it hard. Sillinger. D'Angelo takes control of the puck. Kotkaniemi. Jarvis dumps it in. Goudreau gets the pass from Merzlikins. Quick pass up. Sillinger. Laine hits Kotkaniemi out of their defensive end. Pass to head. Werenski gets in the way. Advances the puck. Columbus dumps the puck in. Carolina puts its scoring line out. Chatfield grabs the puck. Martineau got it. Fires it. Merzlikins turns him away. Stahl intercepts the puck. Merzlikins hangs on for the whistle. Icing against Columbus. Slavin one-times it. Bookfist with the puck. Over center. In over the line. Burns mows down Bookfist. Burns takes control of the puck. Svechnikov backhands it. He gets hit.
Lands a nice hit.
Passed across. Brings it out. Into the attacking zone. Bookfist with a slap shot. Rossi jumps on the loose puck. Bookfist pushes Kuznetsov. Anderson made the save. Nylander wrist shot. Kuznetsov stops the shot. Gensel finds the loose puck. He gets hammered. Moved up. Passed ahead. Over the blue line. Bean knocks the puck loose. Carolina takes possession. D'Angelo. D'Angelo gets it. Jenner steals the pass. Fast.
Line 3.
Texier grabs the puck. And out they come with the puck. Aho gets hold of the puck. With a wrist shot. Scores! Down by one, second period half over. Not a good time to be fighting the puck.
No kidding, Jim. Now is when you need every bounce to go your way.
Sillinger, one-timer, blocked. Anderson freezes the puck. They're getting ready for the face-off. Kurali picked it up. Martinuk. Carolina got it. Merzlikins intercepts the pass out over the blue line. Wrist shot. Anderson gets a pad on it. Columbus puts its scoring line out.
Line one.
Bean picks up the puck from Merzlikins. Carolina in control now. Chatfield grabbed by Carolina. Stall. Columbus picked it up. Goodrow. In over the line. Rubbed off the puck.
An aggressive play that time.
D'Angelo gets in the way. Werenski. Provorov gets thrashed. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. Fires. Phenomenal save.
The goalie did a great job keeping the puck out of the net.
Shoots. Scores.
Terrific goal. No chance for the goalie on that one.
It looks like they'll carry a 2-goal lead into the third period.
As long as they don't lose their focus. That's always the danger with a solid lead.
Slevin finds the loose puck. Out of their defensive end. Moved ahead. Tervainen. Backhand shot. Moved up. Texier shoots. Quick pass up. Over the blue line. And out they come with a puck. Centers it. Slevin knocks him off the puck. Columbus has it. Scores!
Fantastic top shelf goal.
Columbus goal.
Bean takes possession of the puck.
Johnny Goodrow, assisted by number 30.
Rossi shoves D'Angelo. Dinso.
And that's the end of the second period. 2 down, 1 to go.
Children have been given the opportunity to see their heroes live from our Tickets for Kids luxury box. Thank you for your generosity.
It's time for the third period. Think we'll see a comeback?
Jim, it'll be tough. With that kind of lead, it's easy to just stand at the blue line and shut things down.
Danforth grabbed the puck. Fired it hard! Nylander hits the post! Danforth! Offside. The face-off goes to the Blue Jackets. Into the attacking zone. Moved up. Kotkaniemi with the puck. Jarvis moved it. Carolina takes control. Net shots. Carolina puts its scoring line out. Burns gets shoved. Net shots. Dumps the puck in. Provorov gobbles it up. Out over the blue line. Goodrow shoots the puck. Anderson made the leg save. Svechnikov takes control of the puck. Provorov.
Line two.
Columbus scoops it up. Tervainen. Provorov stops the shot. Advances the puck over center ice. Brings it in. Texier gets pushed. Shoots it. Goodbranson. Texier gets the loose puck. Columbus puts its checking line out. Played up. Martinuk gets shoved. One time. Shea scores! Grabs the puck. D'Angelo grabs it, brings it out. Moved up. Kurali gets hold of the puck. Nylander now with it. Scooped up by Columbus.
By number 7.
Working along the perimeter. Vince Genso gets checked. Shea with the puck. Nylander. The Blue Jackets stump it. Carolina has it now. Fast. Genso. Shoots. Pad save. Laney takes control of the puck. Genso. Meslikins intercepts the pass. And out they come with the puck. Jenner takes possession of the puck. Burns out over the blue line. Over center. Centered. Net shots. Finds the loose puck. In over the line. Meslikins. Great save. Texier gets the puck. Over the line. Knocked him off the puck.
Some definite contact there.
Chinnikov.
Line 3, get up there. Line 4.
With a wrist shot. Severson gets in the way. Brings it out. Advances the puck. Muscled off the puck.
This game is getting physical.
Anderson closes the door. Moved ahead. Martineau with the puck. Carolina puts its scoring line out. Out over the blue line. Moved up. He gets pushed.
Delivered a great hit there.
Goodrow gets the loose puck. Merzlikins has faced a ton of shots in this game.
He's a big reason this team is playing as well as they are.
Laney jumps on the loose puck. Gensel over the blue line. Oakfist knocks the puck loose. Gensel scooped it up. Nylander dumps it in on the end boards. Fast. Passed ahead. Right in front. D'Angelo. Shea. Wrist shot. Merzlikins stoned him cold. Merzlikins freezes the puck. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Kuznetsov won the faceoff. Gets the shot off. Werenski takes control of the puck. Svechnikov. Quick shot from the left. Columbus now with it. Rossi. Through center. Breakaway. In front. Advances the puck. Brings it out. Quick pass up. Into the attacking zone. Werenski knocks him off the puck. He scooped it up. He gets checked.
He looks a little shook up.
D'Angelo with the puck. Kuznetsov. Slap shot from the right. Blocked. D'Angelo. Quick shot. Sillinger jumps on the loose puck. Kuznetsov gets hit. Sillinger takes control of the puck. The Blue Jackets stump it in. Kuznetsov gets the pass from Anderson. Passed ahead. Passed across. Pass back.
No chance there.
Martineau with the puck. It's off the post. Stall. One-time shot. Meslikins stoned him. Centered. Orlov gets the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Meslikins gets a pad on it.
Off the pads for the save.
Meslikins intercepts the puck. Good Branson. Chinnikov has it. Anderson shuts the door. Chinnikov jumps on the loose puck. Our work is done here. Carolina had high hopes for this one, but they came up short.
At least they're not behind in this series.
Tonight's third star for Columbus, number 42, Alexander Texier. Tonight's second star, Columbus, number 23.
From Raleigh, North Carolina, this is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
From all the team here at EA Sports, we'll see you next time.